Hey everyone, this is Nick Bates with Indiesoft. I'm going to be showing you two features today with Profile Manager. If we go ahead and launch Profile Manager, now as you can see on the left hand side, I have a lot of standard users and I only have one system administrator account. Let's say that we have a scenario where a quality manager is running a department and they need to be able to add users to the system, but we don't want to make them a system administrator. What we can then do is we go over to our profiles here on the right hand side, we right click, and we select Limited Administrator Setup. We click this, and now what we can do is we can deem a different profile a local administrator. So then that means this power user right here can now add users to the system. Now I'm going to demonstrate this for you guys so you can see it hands-on. So if we close out of here, I have Indiesoft set up as a standard user. So we're going to log out. We're going to log into Indiesoft. And you guys are going to see up here in the right hand corner we have standard user. Now if we go to launch Profile Manager, it'll say a local administrator or system administrator profile is required to run this application. Now what we're going to do is log out, and we're going to go into a power user that I have set up under Ben's account. Now when this launches, it says power user up here, and if you remember on Profile Manager we checked the power user to be a local administrator, and I can now launch this. I can come in here, I can add new users, and I can do whatever security preferences that I need. The next item that I want to show you guys in Profile Manager has to do with your workstation settings. So just to remind everybody that's watching, if you go to Edit User/Location Settings, these are going to be your individual workstation settings. It's based off of a username, and then we have locations within here. I close this out, go back to Profile Manager, and now I'm going to be able to see every username in my system, their preferences for their workstation. So if I just take a glance right here, all of my usernames are on the far left, and you can see exactly what entity is showing. So if I had a printer 1 set up, it would show the exact printer here. And then you can scroll through each of your users, taking a look at their workstation settings. If I uncheck this box, I can then specifically look for different variables. The example that I have, hide archive certs and documents. So there's going to be either a yes or a no right here, and you can see exactly what user has that entity. We have different types over here on the right hand side, such as users, vendors, profiles, and global. You then can toggle through the different locations that you may have set up. And then here you can set up the different column types that we have. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy.